Hey, it's Juan Carlos from Backstreet Hyundai, and you've been invited to something special. We're talking about our exclusive private sales event. Limited time, limited inventory, maximum savings. Private means private. These offers are not online, they're not on the lot, unless you're on the list. Extra trade-in value, exclusive financing rates, loyalty perks, all tailored for you. Spots are limited, so book your appointment now and let's make your next Hyundai happen. Remember, it's Juan Carlos, and I'll be here personally to walk you through every step of the event. See you at the sale.